6 students' bodies including MSF, DESAM, KSA, SUG and IMS have urged all people, clubs and organizations to stage democratic forms of agitations today, which includes peaceful mass sit-in protest, human chain and torch vigil at night, with the objective to call on the indigenous people of state to unite, condemn the excessive use of force by security personnel, demand justice for Linthangambi and Hamanjit, and root out narco-terrorists from the soil of Manipur. Speaking to media persons yesterday at Kwakaithal Girls High School, Laishangthem Lamyanba, coordinator of the 6 student organizations, expressed that the Chinkuki narco-terrorists have not ceased their attacks against the indigenous people of Manipur, and therefore all people of Manipur must unite and face these terrorists.
Lamdamsidagi NRCs ana hananaba illegal immigrants deport tawkhinabagi khongjang kaya manum khaksu aikoi sangsin minase ka henba security forces sing gi thong sing se condemn tawminaba adubu yaningdabagi kholaw se aikoi manipur gi mafam khudimakta maila pai bi ma sing amadi laikai club ki isilinaw punamaknasu democratic oiba mongda aikoi khongjang sangsin biu aikoi gi thawai thakraba mahiroi furup khuna asibu kannab khotnabada thawai na pontha pikraba kaya singdasu kai khumnabu utpoina numidangi matamdasu maila katpi nabagi damaktasu mahiroi luptarukna Yang mafamda appeal tawjari